All right, so I called in my dog for reinforcements. Leah, come on. Okay, so I just wanted to answer some of the questions that you guys posted via the Google Forms. Leah, that's not very making a good impression. Okay, so a lot of you have asked whether or not you need to post homework. The answer to that is no. So I don't need you to send me your homework every day unless I ask for you to. Leah, look at the camera. There we go. Look, everyone wants to see you. Okay. So you don't need to post your homework every day. The only time you need to post it, like I said, is when I ask you to. This is what I have to deal with, guys, while I'm trying to film all your lessons. Anyways, so you don't need to post any of the homework. When you take any of the checkpoints or tests that are online, that's what I'll be using in order to see whether or not you are in fact doing what you need to be doing. So I sent emails home to a lot of you because I hadn't heard you, so please make sure you're getting done what you need to in order for me to know that you are active in this class. Okay? The other thing is this week you're actually going to take a test. And the reason you're taking a test is because it's over key features, which is one of the main things that we've talked about so far this year. That test is going to be done via Delta Math. So I put a link on our calendar and it explains how to use Delta Math. Delta Math is a system that allows you to basically graph and answer some of the questions that we've been asking to. That is going to be a test grade going into the grade book. So in reality, you should not be using your notes and you should not be using your phones at all. Please make sure you hold on to your work because I am going to be setting up conferences with a lot of you just so you can explain to see how you got that answer and so forth. And I'll be doing that during our conference time. So it's very important that you hold on to your work so that I can ask any questions based off of that. So please make sure you don't lose that work. If not, you're going to explain it to me on the fly. Okay, other than that, those were a lot of the main questions. I will continue to post all of my videos and the homework, and I'm trying my best to be available for you. But that was one of the main questions that you asked. After that test of graphing, there won't be any other major test in here that will affect your grades. You'll have checkpoints each week, and that's how I'm going to be taking your attendance to make sure that you're doing it. If you want to reassess or do anything like that, you're more than welcome to, and we'll be doing that via Delta Math. You just need to make sure you talk to me about when you want to do that, if your corrections are done, and we can set up that via Delta Math as well. All right, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Sorry, my dog, I don't know what she's doing. I hope she's going to look cuter, but hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy, and not going crazy. At least it's somewhat nice out today, so go enjoy that nice weather. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If not, I will see you in our conferences that I have scheduled this week. You are not required to attend those, but it's just more going to be a question and answer session to make sure that if you have any questions, we can answer it as we go. Alrighty, hope everyone has a great day.